Have you guys ever had the issue where you're trying to run some mini games on your server and you have a flat world but it is not a void? Well, that is what today's plugin video is going to be about, how to set up void worlds for your Minecraft network, and specific worlds to just be generated with nothing in them. So let's go ahead and get into the plugin showcase. So first things first, you need to download this plugin called VoidGenerator, and this will be linked down in the description. All you have to do is just drop it and put it in your plugins folder. And making your Minecraft server has never been easier with ReviveNode, and you can use my code Striker to get 15% off your purchases on there for 3 months, guys. So yes, I do have a recurring code on there, so be sure you check out the plans on ReviveNode. The link will be down in the description. So there's two different ways that you can install this and set this up. The first way I'm going to be showing you guys is how to set it up with just a normal single world, like this would be for a hub server or for a mini game world. And then the second option is going to be using Multiverse, where you can go ahead and generate a new world. And so the first option is what I'm going to be showing you guys right now. And what you want to do is go into your bukkit.yml. So this method is pretty much just going to generate your default world as a flat void world. So what you want to do is just go ahead and just paste in this specific setting. This will be down in the description, and you can also find it on the plugin page. Pretty self-explanatory. So first of all, you're going to have worlds, and then this world is going to be the name of the specific world that you want. So by default, on all your servers, the default world is just called world, and then it's going to have this generator, and then the generator is just going to be VoidGenerator, and this is going to be in your bukkit.yml. So you're pretty much just going to save it at this point. Make sure your server is stopped, and then go ahead and delete the world only if you don't have anything else that you need in it. If you already have a world generated with a lot of player data and builds, don't delete the world, guys. Don't use this first method. You can use the second one later on in the video. But if you are using this method, go ahead and delete your world, and then go ahead and start up your server, and this will generate your flat world. Alright, we can go ahead and log in, and there we go, guys. We are actually on this flat bedrock right here, and yeah, you're pretty much set at this point, honestly. So that is looking fantastic. I actually got my schematic right here, so let's go ahead and load that in and see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and do /paste -a, and this will go ahead and load in our schematic. And there we go, we just got our schematic in our void world, and this build is actually done by Odyssey Builds. If you guys want to check them out, their link will be down in the description as well, and you can use my code Striker to get 10% off from their amazing builds from their shop. So very cool, and I really like this one. This is actually really nice, guys. I really like this. It could be used as a hub, a survival spawn, so really nice, guys, that you can do it here. So there you go, guys. That was the first method of how to get your default world as a void world. And the second method I'm going to be showing you guys right now, I'm going to be using Multiverse to go ahead and actually generate and create a void world. And this is useful for minigame maps to have. So let's go ahead and make a new world with Multiverse. So you're going to do mv create, which is the Multiverse prompt. And so we're pretty much just going to follow the default prompt to creating a world. So I'm going to call this Sky Wars 1, alright? So we'll just call a map Sky Wars 1, and then the environment is just going to be normal, and then now we need to specify a generator. So you want to do -g, and then you do VoidGenerator, and this is case sensitive, so just be aware of that. And then after the generator is the -t, which is the terrain, and this is going to be flat. Alright, so that is the command that you need to run. Let's go ahead and create that, and it says, there we go, it just finished, so we can go ahead and do mvtp Sky Wars 1, and it should have our void generator just like that. So there we go, we are now in a void world. Now you can go ahead and build your Sky Wars map or paste in a schematic, and there we go, guys, just like that you have void worlds for your Minecraft server. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.